Ted Hill with Superior Image Car Care. Today I'm going to be introducing another brand new product in our Amplify line. Again, if you know anything about us or have followed or used any of our products, anything that has Amplify on it signifies a ceramic property or a ceramic type product. This is Amplify Tire Coat Satin. So it is a satin, low shine, low sheen type of product. We're going to use an applicator, doesn't really matter, foam, microfiber, cotton. You're going to use about an ounce per tire. Again, smaller or larger tires are going to use a little bit different, but that's roughly about the amount you're going to use. And you simply wipe it on the tire. Do not rub it in. It's just a quick wipe on. In about 10 to 15 minutes, it's 100% dry to the touch and chemically insoluble. So it's not going to wash away with soaps and detergents. And this is also going to last you about 6 months as well. Again, this is the low shine version. If you've seen the other product, we have a high shine version as well. But again, these are a brand new products for our Amplify line. This is the satin tire coating.